Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of fashion and glamour as we explore the mesmerizing cover photo shoots of the Shruti Haasan. Let's jump into it. First up, let's talk about her bold and beautiful cover choices. From high fashion to avant-garde looks, she has never shied away from pushing the boundaries. The combination of dark hues and fierce poses truly showcased her versatility. Moving on to timeless elegance, Shruti Haasan has graced many covers with a touch of classic charm. Whether it's a vintage-inspired shoot or a modern take on elegance, Shruti's ability to exude sophistication is simply unmatched. Mixing traditional and contemporary elements, she has effortlessly blended styles in some of her most memorable cover shoots. The fusion of cultural influences and modern aesthetics creates a visual feast that captivates the audience. Shruti often gives us glimpses into the preparation, the teamwork, and the creativity that goes into creating these iconic covers. Let's appreciate her knack for minimalistic magic. Some of her covers are a testament to the beauty of simplicity. Whether it's a clean backdrop or a monochromatic theme, the actress manages to make a striking impact with her understated yet powerful presence. Shruti Haasan has collaborated with some of the most renowned photographers and stylists in the industry. These collaborations have given birth to iconic covers that not only showcase her beauty but also highlight the artistry and vision of the creative minds behind the lens. From nature-inspired themes to futuristic concepts, she has embraced a wide array of themes, each telling a unique story. It's impressive to see how she adapts to different settings, adding her own flair to every theme she takes on. Her cover photoshoot choices often reflect her red carpet glamour. Those breathtaking gowns, exquisite jewelry, and her confident aura, it's like getting a front row seat to a Hollywood awards show. These covers capture the essence of her star power and elegance. Beyond the perfectly posed shots, there's a charm in the candid moments captured during her cover photoshoots. Whether it's a genuine smile or a candid laugh, these moments reveal the real and relatable side of this talented actress, making her covers all the more endearing. Shruti's cover photoshoot choices often reflect global influences. Whether it's incorporating international fashion trends or collaborating with international photographers, she effortlessly bridges the gap between Bollywood and global fashion. It's fascinating to see how her covers resonate on a global scale. Behind every stunning cover, there's a story waiting to be told. Her photo shoots often feature conceptual storytelling, where each image contributes to a larger narrative. It's like flipping through the pages of a visually captivating storybook, with Shruti as the protagonist of her own fashion tale. Her versatility extends beyond fashion, it's in the range of moods she effortlessly portrays in her covers. From sultry and mysterious to playful and vibrant, each cover captures a different facet of her personality. It's this ability to convey diverse emotions that makes her covers truly memorable. She often shares sneak peeks, behind-the-scenes footage, and interacts with her audience, creating a sense of connection. This engagement adds an extra layer of appreciation for the artistry behind the covers. Her cover photoshoot choices have become a source of style inspiration for many. Shruti Haasan's covers often pay homage to her rich cultural background. Whether it's traditional attire with a contemporary twist or a celebration of regional aesthetics, these covers beautifully reflect her pride in cultural diversity. Beyond the glamour, the actress has been a source of inspiration for health and fitness enthusiasts. Some of her covers showcase a dedication to wellness, emphasizing a healthy lifestyle. These fitness-inspired photoshoots not only capture her physical strength but also radiate positivity and well-being. Her cover photoshoots often involve exciting fashion collaborations. From renowned designers to emerging talents, she has embraced a diverse range of creative partnerships. Unpacking these collaborations not only highlights the synergy between fashion and art but also sheds light on the collaborative spirit within the industry. Some covers transcend mere photography and enter the realm of art. From experimental compositions to avant-garde concepts, these covers showcase her willingness to push boundaries and embrace the sheer artistry of the visual medium. Her influence extends beyond personal style, it has left an indelible mark on the fashion industry. Her covers have sparked trends, influenced fashion dialogues, and even set benchmarks for creativity. Shruti's cover photoshoots often become a canvas for fan reinterpretations. Fans across the globe showcase their creativity by recreating iconic looks, adding their unique touch. We'll take a look at some of these fan tributes, highlighting the profound impact Shruti has on her global fanbase. An integral part of her cover photoshoots is the impeccable makeup and hairstyling. The wardrobe choices in Shruti's covers are a symphony of fashion statements. Each ensemble tells a unique story, contributing to the overarching narrative of the photoshoot. Behind every captivating cover is a team of creative minds shaping the visual atmosphere. These behind-the-scenes decisions play a crucial role in creating the mood and aesthetic of each photoshoot. Beyond the individual elements, Shruti's covers often tell a visual story. From the first frame to the last, there's a deliberate progression that captures attention and engages the viewer. This segment will decode the visual storytelling techniques employed in her most iconic covers. Shruti Hassan is not just a follower of trends, she's a trendsetter. Explore the evolution of fashion trends through her covers, how she adapts to changing styles, introduces new aesthetics, and contributes to the ongoing dialogue within the fashion industry. This segment is a journey through the ever-changing landscape of fashion inspired by Shruti's choices. The actress is known for her versatility, and her hairstyles play a significant role in defining each cover look. From sleek straight hair to voluminous curls, she has a range of signature styles that have become iconic. One striking aspect of Shruti's cover photoshoots is her adventurous spirit when it comes to hair colors. Her willingness to experiment adds an extra layer of excitement to each photoshoot. Shruti Hassan has a flair for bringing retro glamour to her covers. Whether it's vintage waves, pin-up styles, or retro updos, she effortlessly transports us to different eras. The nostalgic charm of these retro-inspired hairstyles that infuse a timeless elegance into her photoshoots. Boho chic is a style that the actress embraces with grace, and her hairstyles mirror this free-spirited aesthetic. From tousled waves to braided crowns, these bohemian-inspired looks add a touch of effortless charm to her covers. When it comes to red carpet covers, Shruti brings forth an air of sophistication through her hairstyles. Elegant updos, intricate braids, and cascading curls, these red carpet looks showcase a different facet of her style. Shruti Hassan doesn't shy away from edgy and avant-garde hairstyles that push the boundaries of conventional beauty. From asymmetrical cuts to bold pixie styles, she fearlessly embraces unconventional choices. This segment will dissect the avant-garde hairstyles that make a bold statement in her cover photoshoots. Her covers also feature hairstyles that are natural and effortlessly chic. Soft waves, tousled locks, and casual upstyles create an easygoing vibe. One of Shruti Hassan's makeup signatures is her ability to pull off statement lips with finesse. From bold reds to sultry dark hues, she commands attention with her choice of lip colors. Her covers often feature sultry smoky eyes that add a touch of mystery and allure. The artistry behind these eye-catching looks, from intricate blending techniques to the strategic use of shadows and liners. These sultry gazes contribute to the captivating storytelling within each photoshoot. Radiating an ethereal glow is another facet of her makeup choices. Delicate highlighter, luminous skin, and soft, radiant finishes create an otherworldly aura. The techniques that bring forth this ethereal glow, adding a touch of fantasy to her cover photoshoots. Her willingness to experiment extends to graphic liners and artistic accents that redefine conventional makeup norms. Soft hues, minimalistic approaches, and dewy finishes create an effortless charm. This segment will appreciate the simplicity and authenticity of her natural makeup choices. Transporting us to eras gone by, her covers often feature vintage glam makeup. Winged eyeliner, classic red lips, and retro-inspired looks add a touch of old-world charm. Behind every flawless makeup look, there's a talented makeup artist. Shruti Hassan has collaborated with some of the industry's leading makeup artists to create iconic looks. This segment will spotlight these collaborations, acknowledging the creative partnerships that bring forth the magic in her cover photoshoots. The actress effortlessly masters the art of monochromatic makeup, where a single color dominates the entire look. Whether it's a sultry monochrome or a soft pastel palette, these looks showcase her makeup artist's mastery and attention to detail. Adding a playful pop of color to her covers, Shruti Hassan infuses vibrancy and energy into her looks. Bold eyeliners, colorful eyeshadows, or vibrant lip shades create a lively atmosphere. This segment will celebrate the playful side of her makeup choices that bring joy and excitement to the visual narrative. Her covers often mirror high-fashion editorial spreads, featuring avant-garde and conceptual makeup. From abstract designs to unconventional color placements, her covers become a canvas for boundary-pushing makeup artistry. Contouring and highlighting are integral to creating dimension in makeup, and her covers exemplify strategic techniques that enhance facial features. From chiseled cheekbones to a radiant complexion, the segment will dissect the art of contouring and highlighting that contributes to the sculpted beauty in her cover photoshoots. The actress stays on top of seasonal beauty trends, incorporating them seamlessly into her cover photoshoots. Whether it's dewy skin for summer or deeper, warm tones for fall, she adapts her makeup choices to reflect the essence of each season. The eyes are often the focal point of her makeup looks, and the segment will magnify the intricate details of her eye makeup. From precisely drawn eyeliner to intricate eyeshadow patterns, each photoshoot tells a story through the artistry applied to her eyes. Shruti's journey in the spotlight is marked by an evolving makeup aesthetic. This segment will take a retrospective look at how her makeup choices have evolved over the years. From her early appearances to recent covers, witness the transformation and growth in her makeup preferences. Shruti Haasan often elevates her cover photoshoots with statement jewelry that steals the spotlight. From bold necklaces to elaborate earrings, each piece adds a touch of glamour and luxury. Her covers also showcase an array of stylish hair accessories. From ornate hairpins to floral crowns, these details contribute to the overall aesthetic. In some covers, the actress incorporates handbags or clutches as style accents, creating a seamless integration of fashion and accessories. This segment will unravel the choice of handbags and clutches that complement her outfits, showcasing a thoughtful approach to completing the overall look. Watches and bracelets often add a touch of sophistication to her covers. Delicate wrist accessories or chunky bracelets contribute to the overall aesthetic, creating a harmonious blend of fashion and function. Shruti Haasan also collaborates with accessory designers to curate unique pieces for her covers. This segment will shine a light on these collaborations, acknowledging the synergy between fashion icons and accessory designers that results in iconic cover moments. Her covers occasionally feature vintage and retro accessories. From classic pearls to retro scarves, these accessories add a nostalgic touch to the overall look. As we wrap up our journey through Shruti Haasan's cover photoshoot choices, one thing is clear: she knows how to leave a lasting impression. Which of her cover shoots is your personal favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.